Hi, I'm Guadalupe Red, and this is Guadalupe Red and the Calf Fries. And what we do is chuck wagon demonstrations, how they used to cook, our ancestors. We cooked everything in Dutch ovens or on an open fire, just very similar like they did when during the wagon trains and the cattle drives back in the early 1800s. Currently, we're refurbishing a wagon, a 1890 TG Mant. It will be our chuck wagon that we'll use eventually. I've been doing this for about 15 years. The biggest reason why we do this is for educational purposes, to educate people how we used to cook and try to preserve our history, which is being torn way down, thrown away too much these days. So it's our effort to educate people how things used to be. So we cook, we do demonstrations mostly, we'll do a little bit of catering and some other things. So that's just kind of what we do, and to keep our cowboy heritage alive.